Hello, fellow cartoonists. This is Cartoon Academy, and I'm your host, Joe Wos. On this show, we learn how to draw everything from beautiful butterflies to creepy cockroaches. So, stay tuned. We're drawing a grasshopper. Let's hop to it. We'll begin with the eye. This is a letter O or oval shape. Add the pupil and an eyebrow. Now, starting from the top of the head, we come down to a point, up and around, and then cap that off with the letter U. Now at the base of the mouth, come around all the way up, and we're going to connect it here to complete the head. Two antennas. Out, down, out, and down. Now for the next part of the body, this is called the thorax. You come out, down, and in. This sort of rectangular shape. Now for the body, we come down right to about here, and then we're going to add in our first leg. Up, in and down, out, in, up, and then a little bit of a jagged edge right here. And then back down and around. Now we're going to continue over with the lower half. This is called the abdomen. Over and up. Grasshoppers have ears on their bellies. They can sense the sound vibrations through their abdomen.
Wow!
Next are the wings. Out to a point, up and in. We see the other one just sort of sticking up right back here. And then close off this line. Your drawing looks great. I'm proud of you. The other leg is right back here. And then there's just a few smaller legs. Down, out, in, and up. Down, out, in, and up. And then 1, 2. I'm going to make him sitting on a blade of grass. Come up, right behind the legs there. Continue down to a point and in. Maybe there's a couple more blades of grass in the background. Sign your name. Take pride in your work. There is your grasshopper. Adorable. Hop, 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 hop.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.